Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat petang. Okay, good evening everybody. And today is 18th of September. Okay, 18th of September 2019. So we meet again for the weekly webinar of the by Hot Forex for Malaysia client. So basically, this webinar will be teach in two language. Okay, mix of Malay and English. Okay, setengah benda saya akan explain in Malay, setengah benda saya akan explain in English. So hopefully it's easy for us to understand. So today we cover back on the strategi mudah analisis teknikal pasaran, analisis teknikal menggunakan historical support and resistance. Okay, saya akan membentangkannya. Saya tulis Analisa Market Analysis di HF Educational Office Malaysia. Okay, so ini adalah disclaimer yang anda perlu faham. Okey, berdagang produk leverage seperti forex dan CFD mungkin tidak sesuai untuk semua orang kerana ia mempunyai risiko yang tinggi terhadap modal anda. Sila pastikan anda memahami sepenuhnya risiko yang terlibat, ambil kira objektif pelaburan anda dan tahap pengalaman anda sebelum berdagang. Okey, so bila anda dah clear, dapatkan nasihat bebas sekiranya anda perlu. Dan bahan yang digunakan dalam pembentangan analisa ini adalah untuk kegunaan pelaburan, kegunaan pendidikan dan pemasaran umum sahaja, tidak melibatkan sebarang kajian pelaburan. Ia tidak boleh juga dianggap sebagai nasihat pelaburan, cadangan pelaburan atau nasihat jual beli sesuatu instrumen kewangan. Sila ambil maklum bahawa informasi mengenai data yang lalu tidak boleh dianggap sebagai jaminan untuk data yang akan datang. Pihak kami tidak akan bertanggungjawab di atas barang kerugian atau keuntungan daripada pelaburan yang diambil berasaskan informasi dalam pembentangan ini. Okay, so hari ini kita akan cover, sebelum start, inilah saya, Market Analysis melangkap trainer di Hot Forex. Base saya di HCF Educational Office Malaysia. So, saya bersama dengan Hot Forex sejak daripada tahun 2017. Ini tahun ketiga saya bersama dengan Hot Forex. So, saya berpengalaman lebih kurang 10 tahun dalam bidang research and development, education, dan consultation sebelum saya join Hot Forex. So, saya start and trading and investing in Forex market specifically since 2012. Okay. Since 2012, I started to learn on the forex trading and then invest a bit before I become serious. Okay, and then I focus on the full time. Selepas tu, and then after few years full time, forex offer me. So kenapa saya masuk menjadi market analyst and trainer di Hot Forex? One of the reasons sebab saya punya background as an educator. Okay, saya adalah lecturer sebelum ni, pengajar di IPT. So, mana minat saya memang lebih ke arah kepada mengajar, sharing knowledge, semua itu. So, apa jadi saya banyak sharing on that and then my capability for education, my interest for education that brought me to become a market analyst and trainer. Okay, so always remember to trust yourself. Okay, trust yourself, keep it simple. Less is more. That is the keyword, okay? Trust yourself. I always emphasize, saya selalu tekankan to all the trader to trust themselves. Okay, dengan saya anda belajar ke, dengan siapa anda belajar ke, tak ada masalah. Cuma masalahnya, bila you take a decision for trading, you must remember one thing. Okay, that decision is your decision. Okay, that decision is your decision, maksudnya apa? That's your money, so you need to make decision based on your money. Okay, it's not my money or any other teacher money. Maybe we can have a difference in market view, whatever. But when you want to go for the education trade, the trade involve money, so responsibility is 100% is yours. Profit or loss is 100% is yours. Okay, it's not me or other teacher. So always keep in your mind, trust yourself. Okay, trust yourself, keep it simple. Itu yang paling penting sebagai seorang trader. The problem is, ramai trader yang not confident with themselves. When they take decisions, and then they started to doubt themselves. Betul ke trade yang ambil ni, betul ke sell, betul ke buy. And then, when the market goes again, oh, I make mistake. Don't worry. We learn from mistake as long as one thing, we take care our risk. Itu yang selalu saya cakap dekat trader-trader di luar sana. Know your risk, you will be happy. Maksudnya, tahu kalau loss banyak ni. So, anda akan rasa tenang sebenarnya. Kalau loss, anda tahu banyak mana akan loss. Kalau profit, anda akan tahu bahawa banyak anda akan profit. So why you should worry? Because you know already how much the risk. Okay, so let me go to the content today. Basically, the content today is taken from the OSLC, open, high, low, close. Okay, open, high, low, close. Sebab apa? Based on the candlestick pattern, candlestick, Japanese candlestick, and then the bar chart candlestick. Sebenarnya OSLC banyak digunakan dalam bar chart. Tapi most of the trader is comfortable with the candlestick because of we can see more visibly. Okay, so open, high, low, close give you information about open price, highest price reach, lowest price reach, and closing price. Okay, open, high, low, close. Okay, open, high, low, close become OSLC. So everything have the information. Every single thing, open price, high price, low price, give you information in the market. So based on this, we can extract the information and use as part of the strategy in our trading. Okay, historical high low. Ini adalah historical high and low. Sekejap Sekejap saya kena reply ni sekejap. Okay, so OSLC, historical high and low. So that is a psychology price level sebenarnya. Okay, saya akan cover more on the high and low, HL. O dengan C saya akan let go, H and L. So it psychology price participant for decade, yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, and session. High and low is mainly used. Why? Because it gives you a psychology information. Okay, this is example. Euro USD slip from high to hit session low. Okay, and then you tengok dekat sini, highlight sini, ini highlighter, pretty much traffic towards last year low. Okay, session low, last year low, and then multi-year low. Okay, 12-year low. So that the information it gives us. Hits 2-year low. Okay, well, Euro USD hit lower since 2017. Okay, and then high level pula ini gold hit new year high, 6-year high. Okay, 2-year high. Okay, and then the Chinese yuan hit 11 years low. Bawah sini, okay ya. Sorry ya kalau tu. So everything is about low and high. They are not saying anything open. They're not saying close. Okay. Okay. High and low, high and low, high and low. That is the psychology level. Okay. That is the psychology level. Okay. That is psychology level untuk market high and low. Okay. So psychology level adalah sesuatu yang sangat penting. Okay. Okay. Psychology level. Psychology level ini sesuatu yang sangat penting. Sebab apa? Ini yang akan memberi impact kepada pasaran. Okay. Ini yang akan memberi impact kepada pasaran. we need to know the psychology level of the market. Price always move based on the psychology. Remember that. Okay. Candlestick high and low. Let we look for one example. Ini. Example is this high and low. Okay. Weekly ya. Weekly high and low. So, kalau kita naik, this is on the weekly. Kalau kita going down to H4, what we get? This is the high and low yang kita marking. You can see it react to the previous high, test, reject previous high, break and retest previous high, break, and then coming back the low sebelum dia reverse balik sini. Okay, this level give you information. Something will happen here. What will happen? Okay, what will happen? Maybe it will break or it will reverse. But the key is past give you information for the present. Past give you information for the present. It don't have to be sharp, macam ni sharp, but it can be extended. Kadang-kadang ini tak sampai, ini extended, but it react at the level. So we can use that information, high and low, okay, high and low untuk trading. Okay, untuk trading. Untuk trading. Remember that. High and low, historical high and low. Itu yang kita nak. So, example. Ini on the monthly. Okay, monthly punya high and low. Look here. Monthly low, monthly low. What happened to the price? It react to the level and rejected based on the monthly candle. Okay, this is what the market telling you. Okay, this is what the market telling you. When it approach historical low, something will happen here. What will happen? Itu yang kita nak tengok. Okay, because why? Historical low can act as a support. It also can act as a resistance. How we draw, you learn to draw support resistance. Okay, you learn draw support resistance. This is the high. Okay, this is the resistance. Ini high, resistance. Ini low, support. Ini high, resistance. Ini low, support. Ini high, support, resistance. So this is how we draw the support resistance. Betul? Ada ke yang draw support resistance like this? No. Okay. We always take support resistor. Resistor usually kita cari high. Support kita cari low. So, historical high and low, every candle ni give you information. Every candle give you information. Just how we want to work on it. That will make a difference. Okay. That will make a difference. So, itu yang akan menyebabkan pergerakan pasaran. Kenapa dia stop dekat sini? Kenapa dia stop dekat sini? Kenapa dia stop dekat sini? Kenapa ini stop dekat sini? Ada information. That information we can extract based on the historical high and low. Okay. Based on the technical high and low. Okay. If we go, okay, ini monthly ya. Monthly low, kita tengok dekat lower time frame, you can see the reaction. Yang tadi, line tadi, monthly low tu, kita narrow down to H4, you can see the reaction at the lower time frame as well. This act as a support bila dia break, act as a resistance, break, support resistance, go up. Ini act as support before going up. We can see that. What we can see at lower time frame, their reaction around the level. So, most of us is on the short-term swing or intraday trader. So we look for the lower time frame. Based on the historical high and low at monthly, at H4, it gives us opportunity for the trade. Itu gunanya support resistance. How we want to plot support resistance? Actually, use the historical high and low, we can get the information. Okay, all time frame candlestick can be used as alternative support resistance, high and low. Yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily. Semua ini kita boleh gunakan sebagai support resistance. Ada session high, session low pun kita boleh guna. Tapi for this saya tak gunalah sangat. Okay, if we plot all the historical, it's like this. Ini give you information. Okay, merah yearly, biru quarterly, hijau monthly, purple weekly, kuning daily. So all these thing nampak messy, betul. Tapi when we narrow down, we will get. It's not all the support resistance can use at the time frame. Okay, daily punya support resistance di time frame mana kita boleh guna? Okay, daily high and low time frame mana? Weekly high and low time frame mana yang suitable untuk kita guna? We can get that information seriously. How? By try and error. By try and error, we can get the information. Okay? So, based on my study, because I'm researcher by nature, by education, okay, I managed to simplify a historical high and low at given time frame and apply it other time frame. Okay, this is yearly and weekly high and low. I can use it at the H1 or the M15 for the intraday. So, I guna yearly dengan weekly saja. Kadang-kadang saya guna weekly saja dah cukup. Untuk swing trade, I banyak guna yearly dengan quarterly high and low. And I apply it at daily or H4. Okay. So, what we do is basically, let we go to the chart. This is what I developed. Tapi, let we see a new chart. Okay. Monthly high and low. Macam sini ya. Sorry. Okay. Ini adalah January 2018 sampai okay. Sampai Disember sini. So, we plotting historical high and low. Okay. Ini historical high and low. Ini historical high and low. Okay. Historical high and low. Yearly high and low. Ini based on the January sampailah December. Okay. When we look on January, February, March, we can see it react at where? Okay. 2018 low. 2018 low. 2018 low. So, the price react at the low level. Kalau kita draw this line, and we go down to the daily, okay, we can see clearly. Okay, nampak dah reaction price-nya. Okay, daripada January sini, okay, January sini, you boleh nampak daily. Rejection di mana? Low. Okay. Low of what? 2018. Rejection di mana? Low. Break di mana? Low. Retest di mana? Low. And then going down. Okay. And then going up, going down. Going up, going down. Try to break, fail again, going down. And still going down. So this level give you information. Apa gunanya historical high and low ini? Ini bagi information. That level is influential level. Level yang sangat penting. Sangat penting untuk trading. Okay. So, kalau saya ambil ini, saya drawing, and then saya gunakan ini, we can get the historical high and low. Okay. So, you can see here, ini line yang kita lukis tadi, ada historical punya data. Okay. We going down to lower time frame, and you will get. Okay, ada yearly, ada quarterly. So you can see price react di kawasan mana? Okay, kawasan yang ada quarterly punya information and quarterly. Lagi banyak line ni yang rapat-rapat, that mean that price level is very influential. So, bila kita tengok, you can see here the reaction. Rejection and going down. Dekat sini pun reaction. Dekat sini pun reaction. Okay. Ini pun reaction. Rejection, going down. So, itu gunanya historical high and low. It gives you information. Dekat high and low, something will happen. How? Why? Because that is historical support and resistance. Key dia dekat situ. Okay. So, must remember, it is only way to draw the SNR effectively and faster way. So today what I want to share with you is how we can draw efficiently the SNR menggunakan cara ini. Salah satu cara untuk draw SNR. Okay. Ada cara lain ke kita boleh draw SNR? Actually, there are a lot of way kita boleh draw SNR. Okay. Ada yang suka draw SNR macam ni. Dia ambil historical high, low, sini historical low. Sama juga konsep dia. Low, high. So, ini adalah cara klasik untuk kita draw SNR menggunakan candlestick pattern. Ada yang menggunakan SNR dengan menggunakan cara lain. Dengan menggunakan line chart. So, peak and true. Atas dan bawah. Sama juga. Okay. Ini yang dia nampak. Ini line chart. Ini cara yang paling mudah sebenarnya untuk draw SNR. Tetapi, bila kita convert kepada candlestick, it gives us a confusion. Okay, sebab apa? Line chart menggunakan closing price. Candlestick kita ada shadow lagi. So, bila kita tengok ada shadow terlebih apa semua benda tu. So, kadang-kadang benda tu is a bit confusing. Siapa yang dah biasa tak ada masalah. Tapi setengah orang still confusing on the line chart. Kenapa line chart punya SNR lain? Kenapa saya dengan awak draw SNR lain? Why me and you, we have a different style of draw SNR. My SNR is at this level. Okay? Why your SNR is at this level? It's different, you know? Akan jadi argument. It's different. Why different? Oh, 40 pip difference. That is a lot. Argue. So, it depends actually. High and low, macam saya guna, is one of the effective way to use SNR. Is either SNR is acceptable? Yes. There are a lot of SNR style. It depends to you which one you want to use. Okay. And remember, SNR just information. Okay, that level is important level. Something will happen. What will happen? You need to know what will happen. How we want to know. You need to have your own technique or your own strategy. Like me, I'm more on the price action trader. So I combine with the candlestick pattern. Okay, some may be using Ichimoku. Okay, they are using Ichimoku pattern. Some may be using a Bollinger Band. But can we use this information, high and low historical, as our additional tool? Yes. We can use it as additional tool. Okay. We can use it as additional tool. How you want to use it? That's why I am sharing with you tonight. Okay, saya share macam mana kita nak menggunakan. Okay, like me, my preference is on the typical price actions. Okay, 4 things that I always keep in mind. Okay, one is break and retest. Breakout, coming back and retest. RBS, resistance break, become support. Another one, also breakout strategy is, it break the support, it retest back the support, which is convert in, now become resistance and going down. This is one of the strongest pattern in the market. Another one is breakout or reversal. There are only two type of trading. Okay, you gunalah strategi apa pun, Bollinger Band ke apa ke, konsep dia tetap breakout or reverse. So you want to trade the break or you want to trade the reversal. Both way you can trade. Just need to know how we can maximize it. Okay, so ini 4 pattern yang saya memang sentiasa ingat. RBS, SBR, SR. Support and resistance. Resistance become support, support become resistance. So, and then the candlestick pattern saya guna actually is simple. Okay, candlestick pattern yang saya guna, so candlestick pattern is a simple. Okay, this usually we call it pin bar. Okay, kalau bullish pin bar we call it hammer or hanging man. Okay, bearish pin bar selalu kita panggilnya inverted hammer and shooting star. Tapi saya memang tak nak pening kepala, saya panggil pin bar saja. Okay, pin terbalik dengan tak terbalik saja. Term is actually you can use the term, but I just prefer a simple term pin bar. Okay, and then engulfing pattern. We have bullish engulfing like this one, or bearish engulfing. For me, saya tak guna nama penuh, saya menggunakan engulfing pattern. So I know. Okay, pin bar, engulfing pattern. Okay, one pattern, two pattern yang saya selalu gunakan. Pattern ketiga is the star pattern. Morning star is bullish reversal. Evening star is the bearish reversal. Okay, saya panggil dia star pattern. And then 3 white soldier, 3 black crow. Okay, selalu kita gunakan 3 white soldier pattern. Terbalik pun kita panggil 3 white soldier. Sebenarnya 3 black crow. Tapi, like I said, that is just a nama sahaja. As long as you understand the pattern, that is not a big problem. Okay. For pattern number 4 and pattern number 5 is 3 inside up, 3 inside down. Okay. Inside bar. Inside up, inside down. So, dia memerlukan 1, 2, 3 untuk confirm. 1 bullish, 2 bearish. Ini 1 bearish, 2 bullish. Okay. Dia lain sikit. So, apa jadi? Semua ini give you information in the market. Okay. Give you information in the market that reversal will happen. Okay. Most of us, even though tadi sekejap even though ada breakout and retest, tapi one thing you need to know is this is a reverse. This is a reverse as well. Sama saja semua. Sebab tu orang panggil candlestick reversal pattern. Orang tak panggil candlestick breakout pattern. So, that's why candlestick reversal pattern is a compulsory untuk price action trader. Okay, price action trader kena tahu mengenai dengan reversal pattern. Sebab this one will give you information. Okay, so let me look into the example. Okay, you know support become resistance, resistance become support. So, based on the indicator, I develop yang tadi saya tunjuk ni. Okay, untuk intraday saya banyak menggunakan yearly dengan weekly. Untuk swing saya menggunakan yearly dengan quarterly high and low. So based on the plotting, so I request my good friend to code it for me. Okay, code it for me, and then I can use as my indicator yang mana it save time for me to drawing. So this is what we get when we draw high and low, high and low, high and low, high and low, high and low. So quarter high, quarter low, quarter high, quarter low. So you can see the information here. Apa informasi yang kita dapat? Okay, price action is not 100% correct, tetapi you can see here. Okay, saya gunakan pen sekejap. Pin pen. You can see here, this is a break and retest and go. Break, retest and go. Reverse. Reject, going up. Reject, going up. Reject. Sideways for while, break, retest and go. Reject. Try one more time, break. Tak patah balik dah. Tapi ini reject. Coming back. Break, retest and go. Break, retest and go. So, dia semua react dekat line-line ni. Okay, yang saya tandakan kotak ni semua. This is the example. Okay, the example of the trade yang kita boleh trade. Tapi when it close, it must be confused for us. Try to go to lower time frame. When you go to lower time frame, you can get the information. This is quarterly high, and you can see this is a 3 inside down. Boom, going down. Okay, this is the example the last 2 week. Kalau kita tengok chart, let we see the goal lah tadi on the H4. Don't worry, indicator tu for hot forex client is free, tapi kena ingat lah sebab benda ni kena install dekat MT4 hot forex. Okay, MT4 hot forex yang boleh diterima. Okay, so we can see here, okay, high and low ni. Based on this, you can see the reaction. Reversal pattern, and it's going down. Tadi saya tunjuk di sini kan. Saya tunjuk di sini kan. Reversal, and it's going down. Okay, it's going down about how many pips? Dari sini tadi saya tunjuk is about 560 pips. So it give you a very good risk reward punya ratio dah. Okay, got it. So benda tu is a simple thing. Okay, a simple thing that we can use. Okay, let me look one example. This is historical high and low. USD JPY, you tengok. It's always react. Dekat kawasan historical ni akan ada reaction. But how we can trade? Can we trade every level? Selalunya saya tak trade every level. Saya akan tengok level tu, and then saya akan tengok the price action. Okay, saya akan tengok the price action macam ini, the price action, so kita boleh nampak reversal. Okay, this is USD JPY. Let me try to look USD JPY on the real chart. Okay, ini yang saya screenshot sebab benda ni saya present waktu grand seminar hari tu. Okay, let me look on the H4. Okay, saya buangkan period separator sekejap. I want you to see this. Okay, sebab apa? Sebab kalau kita tengok chart tadi, ini adalah saya punya drawing tadi, sampai setakat sini saja. Okay, lepas tu kita tengok ke mana reaksi pasaran. Breakout, retest. And apa yang kita ada dekat sini adalah pin bar. Okay, break, retest, and we have what? Pin bar. So I know this level I can trade. Okay, bila I trade here, this is pin bar. So what we do is usually when pin bar, we go for the entry. Okay, stop loss is slightly below here. It's about 33 pips. Kita ambil 1 to 2, 35. Let's say 35, we go for 70. And we hit our target 70 here. Okay, cuma tengok balik, okay, you boleh nampak dia pergi, ni saya draw, dia pergi reject, break, retest. Okay, these two line, you are not clear whether it will reverse or whatever. And then bila you nampak this pattern is a star pattern, it continue to go. And sampai sini kita nampak evening star pattern. Dia turun balik. You tengok dia turun tak sampai sini, dia naik balik, retest again. Okay. Give you 1 3 inside down reversal pattern for you to short. Okay, for you to short. So if you short this one, you get your target about 30. Dia turun pun you tengok, bila gap opening pun tak ada masalah gap opening. It always have a gap, but you can see here gap tu berhenti kat mana? Low dia, historical high and low. And then sekarang dia naik balik, dia play around where? Historical high and low. So, to get information, wait for what? Wait for the next information. Kalau dia go high, maksudnya it will continue to go higher. Sebab di sini ada lagi historical high and low. Price akan sentiasa mencari historical high and low. So, this is the tool that can help you. Okay? This is the tool that can help you to save time to draw high and low. Okay? Kalau daily is a bit tricky sebab it's too agak dekat lah. Saya boleh cakap. Okay? You can see it's quite near. But in H4, it's beautiful. I can say it's really, really beautiful. Why it's really beautiful, you can see the reaction. Okay, the reaction here. Okay, the reaction around here, you can get the information. The rejection here, you can get the rejection here. Pin bar, you nampak click pin bar and then the down. Okay, is play around. And then we can see the next clear movement. Okay, it always play around the area. So you don't have to draw. Okay, dekat daily draw support resistance, dekat weekly draw support resistance, and then you pening. You tertutup, kan? Masalah paling normal, kenapa saya buat indikator ni adalah saya sendiri, bila saya plot, saya lupa nak save, saya tutup. Bila saya buka balik, USD JPY, kosong. Saya kenalah lukis balik satu-satu. Siapa sama dengan saya boleh angkat tangan dekat tu. The mistake that we keep repeating, kita tutup, lupa nak save. Buka balik, cat kosong. Alamak. Yang lukis-lukis support resistance, semua dah tak hilang. And then bila nak lukis balik, penat. Takut tak sama lah. That time is our psychologist coming to play. So, kesudahannya, I get the idea, I go to my programmer, I say, saya nak buat ini. So, what happened is, I get this info. Okay, indicator list, bank level, quarterly, yearly. So, since when you boleh limitkan year. Okay, kalau nak daripada 2015, take from 2015. Okay, you get 2015. So daily, this is from 2015. Kalau daily you nak tengok yearly high and low saja, boleh. You boleh tengok high and low. Kalau you nak guna high and low saja, yearly high and low, you boleh guna. Tapi opportunity untuk trade kadang-kadang sajalah sebab it's very far. Okay. So kalau nak tu, kita boleh adjust sedikit. Try to explore, get the area. Ini daripada tu, let's we go for since MT4 ada 1997 punya historical data. So we get more information. ada kegunaan dia. Yearly. If you want trade dekat H1 pun boleh sebenarnya untuk yearly. You boleh dapat. Tapi you nak tunggu dia punya trade tu, makan masa lah. It takes time to get the yearly high and low. Okay. Kalau you buat on the quarterly high and low, you can get more frequent sedikit lah. Okay. Tapi ini kena tunggu berapa hari ni. Lepas ada reaction di sini, it's about H1 is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hari ke-8 baru ada the next trade untuk US3PY. Price action, you get reversal pattern or you get rejection pattern, so you know what to do. And you know your risk, you know your reward. Senang. So you don't have the headache. Actually, semua boleh guna dekat sini. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry sebab that indicator is memang specifically. Okay, intraday. Ini if we take intraday. So intraday, we go to lower time frame and you can get the reaction dekat sini. It's not 100% correct, but at least you can get information. Okay, reaction at the level. Okay, 3 inside out. Okay, pin bar rejection. Break retest. Okay, ini doji. Not really clear lah. Tapi I want to show you the importance of the break and retest. Okay, ini important of a reversal. Okay, this is the reversal pattern. Tak dapat reversal sebenarnya. 3 black crow. So, all the time frame we can use as our assistant. So, you will get the information. Okay, ini kalau kita gunakan weekly. Saya kalau di higher time frame, saya gunakan sehingga H1 saja. So, di daily saya banyak menggunakan quarter dengan yearly. Okay, so untuk intraday pula, saya banyak menggunakan H1 or M15 untuk saya punya trade. Okay, let we look into one pair yang kita jarang tengok lah. Let's say Euro NZD. So Euro NZD you can see here. Okay, you can see here how the reversal happen here. Okay, macam mana reversal happen here and going down. Okay. Here, breakout retest. Here, the rejection you can see, bearish engulfing, piercing, ni evening star. So, sama juga you can see, it break and retest. Try again, retest again, okay, rejection, go. So, this trade, you will get some profit based on the risk reward. Let's say I took here, my risk is 29, saya dapat about 36, 37. As long as you get 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, you can cabut or you can secure your trade. Okay, that is the importance of historical support and low. High and low, sorry. Historical high and low, itulah pentingnya. Okay, so here EN, intraday, you can see the reversal pattern, semua. And then kenapa saya masuk stochastic Actually, you can try to look here. One of the ways saya tengah study ni adalah reversal pattern. At the same time, dia adalah overbought. And we can see reversal. Okay. Intraday, saya kadang-kadang saya filter juga dengan itu sebab I quite scared lah, agak takut. Okay, ini is a momentum tapi tak ada reverse pattern, so a bit risky for me. So, tapi ini macam ini, kita dapat reversal pattern dekat sini. Okay, reversal pattern dekat sini, yang mana kita dapat di sini. Sebab dia punya divergent terjadi, so it go. Okay, ini example yang kita boleh take a trade. Okay. Next goal. Tak apa lagi. Ini adalah reversal pattern, you boleh tengok di sini. Break and retest. Break and retest. At the same time here, started to reverse. Okay. So you kena tahu macam mana tu, you tengok sini, divergent. Okay, I know something. Okay, ini previous low, peak low high, divergent. Dia akan naik. Hidden divergent. Okay. So, macam mana nak download? Okay, macam mana nak download saya punya indicator. Okay, sekejap saya bagikan. Saya cuba cari link dia mana. Mana dia punya link pula. Sekejap Saya try cari tengok mana link dia. So, okay, for those yang ada handphone, okay, yang mana ada handphone, you boleh gunakan QR code ni untuk pergi ke group Telegram. Di situ ada copy of this slide apa semua, and then situ ada juga indicator yang dia boleh gunakan untuk download. Okay, for those who's here, anda boleh copy ini punya link kepada Telegram punya group. So, anda boleh tengok di situ and get the download. So, there you can try to see on how the drawing and how it reacts. It needs some observation because this is not strategy. What I provide the support resistance as a tool to help your trading. So we need, if you price action, you need to use the price action, or you are Bollinger Band trader, you can use this as your Bollinger Band guide. Okay, Ichimoku as a guide as well, historical high and low, so it's all that. Okay, so tadi dah dapat Okay, bit.do/HF Malaysia 2019. Simple, straightforward. Let me go on how we can work on the other strategy. Let's say we're using the trend Ichimoku. Okay, it's a bit blurry here and there, tapi kalau you dah biasa dengan Ichimoku, you can see. Okay, you can see macam sini ada reversal pattern di sini. Here. Okay, it reject, break and retest. Okay, so here you can see the Tenkan and Kijun merge and break. So it gives you information is going up. Okay, so ini crossing crossing happen not in the area. Crossing happen not in the area. So, ini. Break, crossing, you ada reversal pattern. So, that is give you information. Kalau you guna Ichimoku, you can combine. Okay. One way is to use Ichimoku. Other way, apa lagi yang kita boleh gunakan? You can use a Bollinger Band as your help. Okay, Bollinger Band is basically 20 moving average punya reversal pattern. So you can see when the price, okay, reject here, selalunya at here they were fading the trade. Okay, and at the same time, macam ini, you can see the chart break the mid BB, retest and going up. At the same time, it react at the SLR level. Okay, ini dia dah top BB, we can fade it because it react with the, we can fade, setengah orang kita panggil reversal. Okay, sell on the top BB. Kalau dia kena tu, dia akan fading. Dia akan turun balik. Semestinya turun balik. Sini pun sikit lagi nak sampai. Tapi sini fading dia boleh. And then you can see a breakout. Okay, kenapa ini fail? Break, retest break, drop balik sebab sini pun ada support resistance. Okay, so that information give us a very good punya trade. Okay, compare dengan kosong M15, kita nak kena lukis high, low. Okay, ini bagi kotak ni terbuka. You nampak kotak ni terbuka, you can press control, you can click and you can drag. Ini untuk copy paste. High, low, high, low. Okay, high, low, high. Bila tengok sini, kat mana saya nak trade? Alamak, pening kepala. So, I go to M15. So, you get the trade. Lebih kurang sama juga line SNR dia. Tapi, tiba-tiba you tersilap. You terpadam. What will happen? It's not safe. Itu adalah downside of the MT4. Kita kena save manually. So, if I use this, it will be more helpful. Itu saja beza dia. How I can simplify it for you. How can I help you to reduce your drawing time? To reduce the confusion whatever. Okay. Sebab kes ni pernah jadi dekat saya. Saya draw support resistance dengan my click punya support resistance is a difference. So, bila dia kata sell, rejection, saya tengok saya punya rejection tak sampai lagi. Sebab apa? Dia plotting based on line chart, saya plotting based on candlestick. Low tak sampai lagi. Tapi dekat line chart, dekat close sudah ada effect. So, this is the tool that we can use. Okay, and you can combine with whatever trend, strategy, or you want to go moving average. Okay, MA 200 or whatever it is. It's up to you. Support resistance is the most widely used. Okay, the most widely used in the market as a trader. And historical high and low is the most reference used in the market. Okay, kalau tak tu, kita try tengok. Let me try to open the tu, okay. GBP, USD, monthly high. Okay, flirting with daily high. Okay. So, 7 week high. Okay, ini adalah information yang ada di pasaran. So, macam mana kita nak tengok? Most of us is chartist. We chartists, we prefer look into the chart and withdraw. Okay, I ada cakap dengan my colleague tadi, dia pun cakap, dia chartist. So, dia tengok based on the chart. Dia interpret based on the chart. Different compared to the fundamentalist. I agree, it is true. So, if you are chartist, then you can, okay, this is the channel. So, where's the potential rejection? Here is the potential rejection. Okay, bila I zoom in, what can I do? Kalau dia ada rejection dekat sini, I know one thing, it become double top. Kalau ada break, reversal, I can short. Break channel, I can short. Tapi this will be the key. Kalau ni breakout, what will I do? If it break out, maybe I want to wait it to retest here. So I wait here for opportunity to buy. So that is the simplest way to use the tool. Okay? Simplest way to use the tool actually is straightforward. Okay? It's straightforward. So sekali lagi saya tunjuk ini, link. Kalau tu anda boleh ambil gambar dulu, nanti boleh guna QR code ataupun pergi terus ke link sini untuk download. It is free. The rule is you need to install on the MT4 platform of Hot4Rex. Yang lain punya tak boleh guna. Broker-broker lain tak boleh guna. Only ada Hot4Rex punya MT4 saja. Okay, how to follow me? Okay, technically, okay. Okay. So, technically, webinar saya every Monday and Wednesday. Tapi untuk bulan September, saya ubah kepada Selasa dengan Rabu sebab Isnin banyak cuti. Okay. Tapi start next month, we coming back to, okay, dalam next month, kita will be back on the Monday and Wednesday webinar. So, Facebook, selalunya saya provide market update FB Live, classes dekat Hot4Rex Chef Educational Office Malaysia. Okay, road tour. And you can follow me at Tuku Ishak HF ataupun Hot4Rex, anda boleh cari di Facebook. Okay, so please download this app. This app also give you a lot of information. And then thank you very much for your interest. So based on the question tadi semua, saya rasa saya dah jawab semua. Okay, kalau saya tak jawab tu, semua saya dah jawab. Okay. Kecuali soalan tak ada. Satu soalan tu saya malah nak jawab. Okay, tak ada apa. Just gurau saja. Okay. Anything, anda boleh contact saya kalau anda perlukan penjelasan ataupun apa-apa information. Okay. Please keep on trading. Don't stop learning. Because it give you cutting edge or more update your knowledge. So, memang semua orang ada yang sudah konsisten tapi tak salah sebenarnya untuk belajar. Okay, belajar ini boleh menambahkan ilmu, tetapi bila trading, it's up to you which one you want to use. Okay, so it's all for today. Thank you very much. Okay, terima kasih banyak. Kita jumpa lagi pada next week. Akan ada satu lagi siri webinar. Just register and kita jumpa lagi. Bye-bye.